Good afternoon, welcome to my channel, Man&Motors. Today I've got an Audi Q7 2016 3-litre diesel. Today I've got rear brake pads and disc to do, and I'll show you how it's done. So we make sure the handbrake's off. See, it's off at the moment. So open rear brake calipers, prepare to replace brake pads. So just click on that, and it's going to do its thing. Wheel cylinders will be open. It's doing it right now. Right, now that's all set. Now it says brake, parking brake failed. Don't worry about that. It's just because it's gone into service mode. As you can see, the handbrake, electric handbrake light is flashing as well, so don't worry about that. Now it's time to take the wheels off and remove the pads. Here you go, wheels off. It's brake pads. Don't know if you can really see, but when I take them off I'll show you, as you can see from there. So what we're going to do, I'm going to press the piston in with a screwdriver, or I take the whole thing off first and I use a water pump pliers. You got 13 here, hold it with 15, and the sensor sits right here. As you can see, just unscrews here. That's perfect. I like Audis. BMWs are all over the place, Jaguars as well, if you see from our videos. But I like the Audis. The sensor's right here. You don't need to go in there to disconnect here. Right, and we'll do that next. And this one's a bit stuck. Let's see. Go. Get a persuader. So you can see here that it's just all broken as the lights come on. Not much left on the meat. Now we're going to take the brake disc off. The locating screw there. Always give that a little tap, a hammer. Freeze up. So you don't want that rounding off. It's either drill it out. It's a nightmare. So if you don't have the tool to reset the piston, this is where the electric motor sits. Take these two screws off. I believe they're T30s, I think. Take those two off, that motor comes off, then you just wind it. I think it's T40 Torx, I believe, I can't remember. But you take these off, make sure you unplug it, and you can wind up piston manually. Because I've done this with the computer, it's already winding, so I don't have to do that. I just have to push the piston in. Okay, now back in the car. So obviously still got back brake power where we got the front to do as well. So I'm gonna perform the brake pad closure. So that's what we're gonna do now. Sending information. The brake caliper has been closed. That's it. That's that done. Now I've got the front pads to do as well. Just checking the handbrake. There you go. Now I've got the front to do. Hi guys. So the brake pads and this are done now at the rear, and the front pads are done only at the front. Obviously I never done a video on that because I've got a video on my channel already on that. You can see it, it's the same. So obviously I'm doing the SQ7, the front ones is the same setup, so you can have a go and look at that. So yes, that's all done. So if that helped you, and any comments you can leave, any help you can leave the comments, and I'll try to answer them all. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and take care. Bye.